Good morning guys, it's HNL. What's up you guys? So right now you guys, we are just getting ready to pack the truck sometime, but that's what we are doing.
This is my vlog channel, check out my main channel, do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are going to Jeans. We got Jeans, we got simple breakfast, so that's what we are did. So right now you guys, we are getting the big shot. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are just going to my new place to unload. We just got it. There's an issue with the U-Haul, you guys. Oh man, that's annoying, but that's okay you guys. So right now you guys, I'm just heading to my new place. Right now you guys, we are unloading some stuff. So that's what we're doing to unload some stuff. We got an apartment right now. So I'm just helping Dad to put the canned goods. So that's what we're doing. So right now you guys, we are just eating at Westside Willie's. So that's what we're doing. So what did you get, Dad?
Somebody's pierogies. I can't remember the name.
Someone's pierogies. Seeing someone's pierogies.
I think they're Joni's pierogies or Julie's pierogies or something.
And then you got a side of onion rings. And then I got some kind of burger.
Joni's pierogies, I think.
Why are you eating somebody else's burger, Dad? I mean, pierogies.
I don't know. They didn't want them.
So basically, I'm having a burger and onion rings. So right now, you guys, I am actually going to my parents' place, staying the night there. So it was a busy day today, you guys. I'm packing boxes. Tomorrow I'm going to be coming back here to unpack some boxes. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm out of breath. Super bad. I'm out of breath. And really tired. So I'm probably going to talk to you guys when I get to my parents' place. So I'm going to end today's video. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.